Hi everyone, welcome to the online mathematics class. In the last class, already we completed the first three problems in the second main problem in the problems in the exercise 2.1. In the today's class, let us continue the remaining problems in the exercise 2.1. Look at the fourth problem here. 3 raised to minus 7 divided by 3 raised to minus 10 into 3 raised to minus 5. Now, we can write this equation as 3 raised to minus 7 by 3 raised to minus 10 bracket into 3 raised to minus 5. We can write as 3 raised to minus 7 by 3 raised to minus 10 into 3 raised to minus 5. By looking at the equation, we can understand it is in the form of a raised to m by a raised to n. It is in the form of a raised to m by a raised to n. A raised to m by a raised to m is equal to a raised to m minus n. Equal to a raised to m minus n. Now we can write as 3 power minus 7, here minus is there, and minus 10 into 3 power minus 5. Now 3 power minus 7 minus into minus plus 10 into 3 power minus 5. Now 3 power minus 7 plus 10 is equal to 3 power 3. 3 power 3 into 3 power minus 5 into 3 power minus 5. Now it is in the form of a raised to m. By looking at this, you can understand that a raised to m into a raised to n is equal to a raised to m minus a raised to m plus n. Understand? A raised to m into a raised to n is equal to a raised to m plus n. Now 3 power 3 plus or minus 5 can write as 3 power minus 2. It is in the form of, here by looking at this equation you understand that a power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n. Now 3 power 3 plus minus 5, 3 power 3 plus minus 5 minus 3 power 3 plus minus 5 minus 5. Now plus into minus is minus 3 power minus 2. Here also by looking at this equation, you will understand that it is in the form of a raised to minus n. It is in the form of a raised to minus n equal to 1 by a raised to m. It is also one of the laws of the exponent. A raised to minus m is equal to 1 by a raised to m. Now we can write as 1 by 3 raised to 2. And write as 1 by 3 raised to 2. Now looking at the, already we completed the fourth one. Looking at the fifth one, what is the problem number 5? 2 power minus 3 into minus 7 whole to the power of 3 minus 2 power minus 3 into bracket minus 7 whole to the power of minus 3. Now 2 power minus 3 into, here also we can understand that by looking at this equation you can understand that it is in the form of a raised to, a raised to m is equal to 1 by 1 minus a raised to minus m is equal to 1 by a raised to m. Now we can write as 1 by minus 7 whole to the power of 3. Can write as 2 power minus 3 into 1 by minus 7 whole to the power of 3. Minus becomes plus here. Now here also we can write as 1 by, it is in the form of, it is also 2 power minus 3 in the form of 1 by a raised to m. Now 1 by 2 power 3 into 1 by minus 7 whole to the power of 3. 1 minute. By minus 7 whole to the power of 3. Now here also we can understand that it is in the form of a into b whole to the power of m. A into b whole to the power of m. Now 1 by, it is in the a in the form of 1 by a raised to, it is in the form of a into b whole to the power of m. Now into 2 power into minus 7 whole to the power of 3. Now we can write as 1 by 2 into 7 minus 7 is minus 14 whole to the power of 3. We can write as 1 by minus 14 whole to the power of 3. Now looking at the third main problem. This is the third main problem. First one, 3 power 0 plus 4 power minus 1 into 2 power 2. What is the problem here? Bracket 3 power 0 plus 4 power minus 1 into 2 power 2. Now here, if any number multiplied by 0, that number is 0. Now look at here, 3 into 0, the answer is 3. 1 into 0, the answer is 0. 5 into 0, the answer is 5. 10 into 0, the answer is 10. If any number is multiplied by 0, the answer is 0. You have to keep it in mind. Now 3 power 0 is 0 plus 4 power over to the power of 1 into 2 power 2. Now here 0 leave that. 4 power minus 1 minute. 4 power minus 1 into 2 to the power of 2. 4 power minus 1 into 2 to the power of 2. Now here also we can understand that, or if any number multiplied by 0 is 1, you can take as the 1. 1 minute. You can take as 1 plus 1 minute. 1 plus, it is in the form of a raised to minus m is equal to 1 by a raised to m. It is in the form of a raised to minus m is equal to 1 by a raised to m. Now 4 power 1 is equal to 1 by 4. 4 power is equal to 1 by 4 into 4. 2 to the 4. 2 power 2. 2 into 2 is equal to 4. Now if you take the LCM of this, you will get the 5 by 4 into 4. Here 0, 4 and 4 cancels. The answer is 5. The answer is 5. 5 by 4 into 4 is, your 4 cancels, 5 remains. In the next class, we shall continue the remaining problems. Thank you.